Hello DIYers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, I'm glad to have you here. Today we'll be having this fried plantain and some eggs with lots of vegetables in it. So you're going to saute some diced onions in a pan, give that a good mix, going with your yellow peppers, red bell peppers, going with some green bell peppers. Now, don't panic. If you don't have all of these things, it is fine. You can just make do with whatever vegetables that you have. You're going to add some grated carrot, give that a good mix to combine. And then you're going to go in with some seasoning cubes. I used one seasoning cube. I didn't even use the complete cube because I was going to still add salt to my eggs, so you have to be very careful. Then I give that a good beat before adding it to the vegetables. Give that a good mix. After it has started to set, I added some water. Now this is optional, but I love to add water because it helps to just give the eggs a very light fluffy nature, and it helps to remove excess oil from the eggs as well. Then you're going to fry some plantain, and you have to be very careful. You don't want to have a burnt offering in the name of plantain. So you can see how beautiful that is. You're going to serve that, take it all out of the oil. Then you're going to put it in a plate that you're going to use. Then add your eggs, and that's it, guys. Breakfast is served. Let me know if this was helpful and if you'll be trying it out, and I'll see you in my next post. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.